I'm so glad we had this time together. I don't think you came here to hear me sing, did you? But it's my way of getting into my closing thoughts. I always feel a little bit nostalgic about the end of a class. That may sound corny, but to me it's who I am. I don't know you guys personally. I know some of you actually, but most of you I've never met, obviously. But I still feel close to you because we've just gone through a journey together. And that journey is a journey of discovery in one of the most amazing programs on the entire planet, Adobe Photoshop, standing at CS6. I have goals for these classes. Now, one of the goals is, let's say you've never used the program before. And believe it or not, even though the program's been out there for 20 years, there are people that are picking it up for the first time. My goal for you guys was to give you enough information to keep your feet on the ground, solid, and be able to walk forward and go even further with this program. That was my goal. If you've used the program like I have, like a lot of people have, my goal was to not only show you some of the new features in CS6, that would be easy, but to maybe make you think a little bit more outside the box in features that have been there for 20 years. What's wrong with that? Everybody gets into ruts. What's a rut? It's a grave with the two ends knocked out. We go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Sometimes getting a fresh set of eyes on a feature that you've been using for years is a great way to take you down that different road and see new things. That's what this course was all about to me. It was to help you guys get to another level. And if I have done that, then I have been supremely successful. If I haven't, well, then I haven't been successful. But I hope I was successful. So let me just end with this before that airplane drowns me out. This is Andy Anderson saying, keep the faith, guys. Keep learning.